Hello friends, I am Dr. Amol Pathak. In our last videos, we were discussing about the clinical examination of motor system. In that we have discussed about the examination of muscle tone and muscle power. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about the examination or testing of the individual muscles. So let us start with the major muscles of our body and how to examine those muscles. What are the different techniques of the examination of these major muscles of the body? Now let us first see which are the major muscles present in our body. We are going to discuss about the muscles of hip girdle, then we are going to discuss about the muscles of thigh region, muscles of leg, then it will be followed by examination of muscles of shoulder girdle, then the muscles of chest region and the muscles of arm. So with that we will finish the muscular examination of the extremities. Then we will discuss about the muscular examination of the abdomen and the muscular examination of back. So let us first see these muscles. So we are going to start with examination of muscles of hip girdle. It consists of three major muscles: iliopsoas, adductor femoris and gluteus muscle. Now how to examine the iliopsoas muscle? Okay. So for this what you have to do is ask the patient to flex the hip joint. Okay. So against resistance, you have to apply the resistance and ask the patient to flex it. Okay. And while you are applying the resistance, flex को खींचो. Yes. Okay, so this is the movement for examination of iliopsoas. Okay. खींचो. You are applying the resistance and the person is flexing the hip joint. Similarly, you can perform this by when the patient is flexing at the hip joint. You can apply the resistance and ask the patient to extend. See that? Yeah. See that? Okay. Both ways you can do. When the patient is flexing, you can apply the resistance. When the patient is trying to extend, again you can apply the resistance. Okay. So this is iliopsoas muscle. How to examine adductor femoris muscle? Adductor means to add towards the body. उसके लिए क्या करना है? Ask the patient to first extend the legs. You have to hold at the joint, ankle joint. Apply the resistance and ask the leg person to move the leg inwards. Yes. Okay. So in this way you have to examine adductor femoris muscle. Ask the person to add it. Okay. So this is adductor femoris. When you are doing the examination, you have to be careful that you are examining on both sides. First complete on one side, then progress to another side, then go to the next group of muscle. Okay. So that is adductor femoris muscle. Coming to the third muscle of the hip girdle, gluteus muscle. Okay. Gluteus medius, minimus, maximus. How to examine it? Now the person is in a lying down position, in a supine position. For these muscular examination, you have to ask him to be in a prone position. Straight leg. Yes. Okay. So in this position, you have to examine the next group of muscle. First, what you have to do is for gluteus maximus muscle, ask the person to lift the thighs, legs. Okay. Yes. Okay. This movement is for the examination of gluteus maximus. Okay. Simply ask the person to lift the legs. Okay. Now coming to gluteus medius and gluteus minimus. We have single. You can perform it on single one leg also or both legs. Now for gluteus medius and minimus, ask the person to first flex the knee joint. इसको flex करो, आराम से relax. Distance over one. Yes. You have to apply the resistance and close. person to move the legs outwards. Okay, so you are holding it and ask him to move the legs outwards. अभी दूर करो पाँव. Yes. Okay, this way. While you are applying the resistance. Got it? So this is for gluteus medius and minimus. For gluteus maximus, simply ask the person to raise the legs. For gluteus medius, first ask the person to flex the knee joint and then separate the legs. Okay. So this is gluteus medius and minimus. So this completes the examination of muscles of hip girdle. Okay. These are very simple techniques. Within 30 to 30 seconds, 1 minute, you can do a complete examination of other muscles also. Coming to the muscles of thigh region. See that. Again, ask the person to turn in a supine position. In the thigh region, quadricep and hamstrings muscles are there. The technique is very simple. What you have to do is first ask the patient to flex the knee joint like this. Apply the resistance. Quadriceps muscle. This is for quadriceps muscle. Apply the resistance and ask the person to overcome the resistance. Got it? So the stretch will be felt on these group of muscles. Okay? Ask the person to extend the leg while you are applying the resistance. The knee should be kept in a flexed position. Apply the resistance and ask the person to extend the leg. Okay? So this will be muscular examination of quadriceps muscle. Got it? Okay, coming to hamstring muscle. For hamstring muscles, that means this compartment of the thigh. Okay, for hamstring muscle, what you have to do is again ask the person to flex the knee joint while applying the resistance on the ankle joint. Flexion, flex करो, palm करो, do it. Yes, this way. Okay. So the stretch will be felt on this group of muscle. This is hamstring muscle. Okay. So quadricep and hamstring muscle. Both are for the one is in the supine position, another one is the prone position. Now coming to the muscles of leg region. Muscles of leg region, tibialis anticus, tibialis posticus and gastrocnemius muscle. Okay. This is anterior region of leg, tibialis anticus muscle, posticus muscle from this side and the gastrocnemius is this calf muscle. Okay. For this, what is the technique? You have to keep your hand on the foot of the person and ask the person to dorsiflex the foot. Okay, इसको इस तरफ खींचना है while you are applying the resistance. Okay, dorsiflexion. So stretch will be felt on this group of muscle. This is tibialis anticus muscle. Okay. Similarly, when the person, if you want to examine tibialis posticus muscle, when the person is dorsiflexing, ask him to invert the leg while you are applying the resistance. आपको क्या करना है, इसको फ्लेक्स करना है और अंदर की तरफ दिस वे. The flex will be felt on the stress will be felt on this region, ankle joint. Okay, so this is tibialis posticus muscle. Got it? Tibialis anticus just dorsiflexion, tibialis posticus dorsiflexion with inversion, okay, with internal rotation. Okay. How to examine gastrocnemius muscle? Again, same technique, but you have to ask the person to plantar flex. Dorsiflexion is towards the body, plantar is towards the sole. Okay, so plantar flexion with resistance. So नीचे करो, this way. Okay, so this is examination of gastrocnemius muscle. Got it? So hip girdle, thigh region, leg region, the major muscles are covered. Now coming to the muscles of shoulder girdle. These muscles should be examined when the patient is in a standing position. Okay. For the convenience, मैं इसको sitting position में करता हूँ. Okay. So these shoulder girdle muscle consist of the deltoid muscle, supra-infraspinatus, and rhomboidus serratus anterior muscle. Okay. So the techniques are very simple. deltoid muscle examination. For deltoid muscle examination, first ask the person to abduct the arm up to 60 degree. Okay, hold the arm and ask the person to adduct the arm once again. Okay, अभी नीचे करने की कोशिश करो while you are applying the resistance. Okay, the stretch will be felt on this region. This is deltoid. The person is keeping the hand first abducted. Now you are applying the resistance and ask the patient to adduct the arm. Okay, this is for deltoid region. Coming to the next deltoid muscle. Coming to the next is supraspinatus. Okay, what you have to do for supraspinatus? You have to keep your one hand on the supraspinatus muscle, apply the resistance on the hand, and then ask the patient to abduct the arm. Okay, with दूर करो. While you are applying the resistance, the stretch will be felt on this muscle, supraspinatus. Okay, when the patient is trying to abduct. You got the difference between examination of deltoid and supraspinatus. Now coming to infraspinatus muscle. For infraspinatus muscle, what you have to do is ask the person to flex the elbow joint. Okay, keep it besides the body like this in this position. Okay, and now you are applying the resistance, and now ask the patient to extend the elbow joint. Okay, extend. This is for examination of infraspinatus muscle. Okay, while you are applying the resistance. Got it? Coming to the next muscle, rhomboidus muscle. अपने दोनों हाथ hip joint पे रखो. Okay. Ask the person to perform this, maintain this position. Now you have to apply the resistance from the back side. Okay. And now ask the patient to turn the elbows backwards. So पीछे. Yes, like this. Okay. This is for rhomboidus muscle. Got it? Coming to the next muscle of shoulder girdle, serratus anterior. For serratus anterior, what you have to do is ask the patient. Now you have to apply the resistance from this side and इसको push करो. Okay. This is for serratus anterior. That means these muscles of this side. Serratus anterior. Okay. So this finishes the muscular examination of shoulder. You understood the techniques: deltoid, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, rhomboidus, serratus anterior. Okay. Now coming to the muscles of chest region. That means pectoralis and latissimus dorsi. What you have to do? Ask the patient to keep the hands on the hip joint, and the action is reverse to that of rhomboidus. That means you have to apply the resistance on this side and ask the patient to bring the arms close under the while you are applying the resistance. Okay. So you can keep your hand over here, the clavicular head. Okay, for the stretch, for feeling the stretch. Okay, so this is the pectoralis muscle. Got it? Now the next muscle is latissimus dorsi. For this, what you have to do is ask the person to maintain this position, both hands. Okay. Now you are applying the resistance from lower side, from this side, and ask the patient to bring down the hands in each other. This way. Okay. Pushing. Yes. So the stretch will be felt on this region, this muscle. This is latissimus dorsi muscle. Okay. So this is for latissimus dorsi muscle. Okay. Coming to the muscles of arm, bicep and tricep. The techniques are very simple. Ask the patient to keep his hands in a supine position, hanging down position, apply the resistance and flex the elbow joint. Flexion. Yes. While you are applying the resistance, the stretch will be on the biceps also. Okay, this is for the examination of bicep. For tricep, the hand is in a flex position, you are holding it, and now ask the patient to extend it. Niche. While you are applying the resistance. Okay, so this is for tricep muscle. Understood? So this finishes the examination of muscles of lower upper extremity. Okay, shoulder girdle, then the chest region, then the arm region. The forearm and this hand region we are skipping. Okay. Now coming to the muscles of abdomen and muscles of back. For this again positioning is important. Ask the patient to lie down. So जाइए. The technique is very simple for muscular examination of abdominal region. You have to place your hand on the head of the person and ask the patient to raise. उठने की कोशिश. Yes. This is the examination of muscles of abdominal region. Okay. For the back muscles, I'll ask the patient to raise the head. This position is for muscular examination of back region. Okay, trapezius and all other muscles. Got it? So this is the major muscles for abdomen and back. Got it? Now the remaining muscles are muscles of neck region, that is sternocleidomastoid muscle, trapezius muscle and latissimus axilla. That we will discuss in the next. Got it?